Nestled in the rolling hills of Red Hill, on Victoria's Mornington Peninsula in Australia, this residence sits within a region celebrated for its vineyards, cool climate, and unhurried way of life. Surrounded by native bushland, walking trails, and open landscapes, the project reflects the peaceful character of its remarkable setting. The site spans over 2.5 hectares and underwent a remarkable transformation before construction began. Around 20 invasive Monterey pine trees were removed, allowing the landscape to be restored with indigenous vegetation centered around a large natural pond. Positioned at the highest point of the property, the house enjoys sweeping views across the regenerated gardens, the water, and the rolling hills of the Mornington Peninsula beyond. Rather than dominating the landscape, the architect conceived the home as a quiet companion to nature. The building follows a simple composition of dark charred timber, textured masonry, and a wraparound pergola that blends naturally with the surrounding vegetation. Every opening was carefully positioned to frame specific views, allowing sunlight, gardens, and distant scenery to become part of the daily living experience. Instead of looking outward in only one direction, the house creates a continuous dialogue with the landscape on every side. Inside, the spaces are arranged with the openness of a contemporary apartment while maintaining the warmth and intimacy of a family home. The kitchen and living areas are connected by a dramatic spiral staircase crafted from concrete, steel, and timber. Rising beside a full-height glazed wall, the staircase offers ever-changing views of the pond and surrounding trees, turning a simple journey between floors into a quiet, architectural experience. The upper level contains bedrooms, a study, and sheltered balconies designed for observing native birds and wildlife. Additional guest rooms extend from the main living spaces, allowing the home to expand naturally whenever family and friends visit. The interior palette is deliberately restrained. Charred timber continues from the exterior into the living spaces, while exposed masonry walls, natural timber ceilings, and warm finishes create a sense of permanence and calm. Every material was chosen not only for its durability, but also for the way it will weather gracefully over time. More than simply occupying the site, The architecture encourages its occupants to engage with the landscape. Large windows invite changing light indoors, shaded outdoor spaces blur the boundary between house and garden, and every path naturally leads back into nature. As the restored vegetation continues to mature, the home becomes less like an object placed within the landscape and more like a quiet part of it, a timeless retreat where architecture gently supports the rhythms of the natural world.